Sarvamata Sammelan and Vaikom Satyagraha on this day, 13 July 2024, Saturday at Ravindra Bharati in the historic city of Hyderabad, the capital of Telangana, with the support and cooperation of the Department of Language and Culture, Government of Telangana, and International Center for Sri Narayana Guru Studies and Pilgrimage, Government of Kerala.
This function is organized by Sri Narayana Guru Dharma Pracharana Sabha Telangana and Sri Narayana Educational and Cultural Society Secunderabad. This organization, Guru Dharma Pracharana Sabha, formed by Telugu-speaking people, has been functioning to propagate the ideology of Sri Narayana Guru of Kerala among the people of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh since the 2010. This is part of a large network of organizations spread all over the world with its head office at Shivagiri Mutt in Varkala in Kerala.
Sri Narayana Educational and Cultural Society, a charitable society, was established in Hyderabad in 1986 in the name of Sri Narayana Gurudeva, known as leader of Renaissance, greater philosopher, social reformer, and spiritual preceptor of Kerala. Gurudev's visions and philosophies are being propagated throughout the world, and Guru's works are being practiced as subject of research. Sri Narayana Educational and Cultural Society, an organization that has been working on propagating Guru's teachings and philosophies for the last 38 years in Hyderabad. Sri Narayana Guru Mandir and associated educational institution Sri Narayana Vidya Bhavan are the basic centers for the spiritual, educational, social and cultural activities.
Now, may we invite Dr. A. Saibaba Garu,
Padma Shri Awadi, President of Sri Narayana Guru Dharma Pracharana Sabha, Telangana, to come over to the dais.
Please come out to the dais, sir.
Shri Palle Upender Gaud Garu, retired Deputy Secretary, Government of India, General Secretary of Sri Narayana Guru Dharma Pracharana Sabha, Telangana, to come over to the dais. We invite our guests of honor to come over to the dais. Respected our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Jupalli Krishna Rao Garu, Honorable Minister for Prohibition and Excise, Tourism and Culture, Archaeology, Government of Telangana. Please welcome, sir.
Now, may I welcome respected Dr. N. Jayaprakash Narayan Garu, IAS, politician, former member of Legislative Assembly, Composite Andhra Pradesh, founder, president, Foundation for Democratic Reforms and Lok Satta. Kindly come on to the dais, please. Thank you, sir.
We invite respected Shri V. Srinivas Gaud Garu, former Minister for Prohibition and Excise, Tourism and Culture, Government of Telangana. Welcome you, sir.
May we now welcome respected Justice V. Ishwaraya Gaud Garu, former High Court Judge and former Chairman, National Backward Classes Commission, Government of India, to kindly come onto the dais. Thank you, sir.
We invite the messengers of spirituality to come over to the dais. Respected Srimad Asanganandagiri Swamiji, Secretary, Guru Dharma Pracharana Sabha, Shivagiri Mutt, Kerala. Please welcome, sir.
May we now welcome respected Venerable Kalyana Siri Mahabodhi Buddha Vihara, Secunderabad, from Buddhism. Welcome, sir.
Respected Reverend Father Raju Alex, Deputy Secretary of Telugu Catholic Bishops' Council from Christianity. Welcome you, sir.
Now, may we welcome respected Ms. Arshia Ahmed Ayub, counseling psychologist from Islam. Welcome, ma'am.
Respected Professor Kolakaluri Madhujyoti Garu, Vice Chancellor, Dravidian University, Andhra Pradesh. Welcome you, ma'am.
Now, may we welcome respected Professor T. Gaudi Shankar Garu, former Registrar, Sri Potti Sri Ramlu Telugu University, Hyderabad, to kindly come out to the dais, sir. Now, we kindly request respected Professor G. Satyanarayana Garu, Professor Emeritus Honorable Patron, Guru Dharma Pracharana Sabha, Telangana, to kindly come onto the dais, sir. Now, let all of us invite our special guests to come over to the dais. We kindly request respected Professor K. Shishubalan Garu, representative of the Government of Kerala and Director, International Genre for Sri Narayana Guru Studies and Pilgrimage, Government of Kerala, to kindly come onto the dais, sir.
We invite respected Shri V.K. Mohammed Garu, Vice President, Guru Dharma Pracharana Sabha, Head Office, Shivagiri Mutt, Kerala. Please welcome, sir.
Welcome to all the dignitaries on stage. Now we are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is the symbolic moment that signifies enlightenment.
We request respected Swamiji and Honorable Chief Guest and Guests of Honor to light the lamp.